What was the most disturbing thing found in a video game?
Vault 11 from Fallout New Vegas. Whilst most of the vaults will have the aftermath of some twisted science experiment waiting to attack you, Vault 11 is completely deserted bar a few mutated insects. Reading the terminals and listening to recordings reveals the inhabitants had to vote for one person to sacrifice every year or else they'd all be killed. They kept doing this until only 5 survivors remained. The final 5 made a pact that they would not kill another member and would instead wait for the vault to kill them. Only for a message to play congratulating them on their mercy and bravery and called them a shining example of humanity for not sacrificing one of their own. Whole thing was a fucked up social experiment to see if they would actually do it. Of the 5 survivors, 4 killed themselves and the final one walked out into the wasteland hoping to tell his story. Proper fucked me up did that one. When you first arrive at the mental hospital in Outlast, you stumble across 2 escaped patients fucking a corpse. They didn't appreciate being disturbed. You like to watch, you little sicko? You weren't invited to watch.
Came here to say this. Also, the guy masturbating over a corpse in the hallway was pretty gross. They weren't afraid to get nasty with this game.
Pretty much the majority of Outlast was disturbing. A huge chunk of that game fits as a reply to the question here.
The aborted baby monster in Witcher 3.
Lubberkin ending FTW. This thing will watch over you for all times. Could you ask it to fucking not?
The new Fallout games have some depressing holotapes. Fallout 4 has one very early in the game of a teenage girl who found out she was pregnant. Her family and the child's dad abandoned her, so she stayed in an abandoned ranger lodge. As the bombs fell, Fallout 76 has once about a miner trapped in a mine shaft after the bombs fell. As you progress deeper into the mine, you pick up tapes detailing him and other miners slowly dying. The last one is about the miner reminiscing about his first date, dance with his wife, and ends with him singing, "You are my sunshine," as he runs out of oxygen. Edit. Thank you all for the upvotes and awards. This is my best posting yet. I appreciate all the love. Well, Outlast literally had a necrophilia scene, lol.
Funny how the guy calls you a freak or something after he notices you are standing there.
Necrophilia? Cool. Voyeurism? Not cool. Gonna sit on that for a second.
I think the talking fetus from the PT demo to be quite disturbing. The most disturbing thing was Konami fucking what would be the best horror game ever. It's a real shame. Just the demo itself had huge potential.
That fucking piano from Mario 64. Chong, 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 chong.
That little room in the beginning of Outlast 2 where they would sacrifice babies and you walk over all the dead babies' bodies and it even makes little crunching sounds. Edit. Spelling and also holy Christ, thanks for the upvotes and awards everyone.
The scene with the woman on the stretcher almost made me quit.
What happens? That dude with the valve in the back of his head shown in intros of many Valve games. It didn't bother me until he turns to face you.
Portal 2 only ever had a picture and it was enough to make my skin crawl. I am very glad I never saw that asshole turn around.
In Haunting Ground, if you die to your stalkers you can hear them in the background of the game over screen desecrating your body, while laughing or enjoying it.
Isn't there a bad ending where the main character ends up impregnated with the main antagonist as well?
Yup. It is seriously fucked up.
Having to drill a needle into your character's eye for some reason in Dead Space 2. And if you slightly fuck up the QTE, it drills your character's brain out and you die. Stuff happening to eyes is pretty much the only thing that really gets to me in horror media. That segment was absolutely nerve-wracking.
in Until Dawn when you read a note and discover that one of the two sisters had to eat the other's corpse in order to survive. Pretty disturbing.
I watched someone's Let's Play of Until Dawn when I was younger. Maybe about 14. Definitely not something I should have been watching. It got to the point where one of the characters had to choose between letting his best friend or girlfriend gets on in half. And I had to stop there.
Not disturbing in the same sense of the others, but the silent ballerina slicers in BioShock creep me out good and proper. There's one section where you walk across a huge room in ankle-deep water and there are some in there, posed. You walk across, with just the ambient sounds of Rapture which are creepy enough, pick up a thing on a little dry patch and turn around. Every one of those splicers is now facing you, staring at you. And then they run at you. I panicked and fired my plasmid, the electric bolt one, and killed them all. And they all fall down without uttering a sound. BRRRR. My creepiest part of that game was when you're supposed to take pictures of the splicers. You can't use weapons and the camera at the same time. At one point, I heard one coming along the ceiling, so I took the picture and it said bonus, multiple subjects. That freaked me out cause I could only see one leaping at me.
Greater than, so I took the picture and it said asterisk asterisk bonus, multiple subjects, asterisk asterisk hahaha I'm in danger. There's a torture chamber behind a secret wall in Oblivion. As I progressed through it, it felt more sickening.
Finding Lucian's corpse hung up while the Dark Brotherhood tell you they skinned him alive is pretty brutal too. He serves the Dread Father in the Void. But son of a Dread Father, you can bet a guy gets angry at this.
Red Dead Nightmare. I had to take a break after the crying Sasquatch asked me to put him out of his misery because we had hunted all of his family.